So I just cut 3 sugar apples from my plant. This little plant here in the container. One is already kind of, it was splitting already, but there is one more. There were 4, so 3 are ripe and then one that still looks green. So that's looks really yummy here. They're not too big, small, because I have not shifted the plant in the ground yet. It's still in a container. We live in a gated community, so we have lots of restrictions what we grow, what we can put in the ground. So here is another one that is also green, and like I said before, this we did the air layering from that other plant and we made another plant. So that's that. And then from the seed this little guy is growing. So this is it for today. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.